Hi, I'm Daisy Ribalahay from Panabo City. I was a student of Bachelor of Science in Accounting Technology at the University of the Immaculate Conception. I worked at Lian Financial Services Incorporated, a BPO company, for almost 10 years, where my first role was data verifier, where I primarily focused on data entry and verification of documents. And then I shall complete the processing by verification once all the extracted and inputted data have been verified correctly. I also worked at Alpha Capital LLC as a part-time for a year, and my role as a SMS lead generation is to execute targeted SMS marketing campaigns to attract potential buyers and sellers. So ensuring messages are engaging and also develop strategies to capture and qualify leads through SMS marketing within the real estate market. At Liant Financial Services Incorporated, I was promoted as team leader of Finance Services Department, handling a 15 to 20 employees, where I focused on planning the day's work, overseeing the team's quality of work in data verification or document verification, regularly evaluates performance to achieve the target average efficiency and quality, notifying technical support of any concerns related to technical issues, and keeping track of the resolution. Giving employees mentoring and training, delegate tasks to team members, prepares minutes of attended by production leaders, and checking of employees' attendance under my supervision through Sprout application, as well as prepares daily report on productivity for the management and meets with the production head bi-monthly to discuss outputs. And I successfully completed a 15-hour QuickBooks online advanced training, which includes fundamentals of bookkeeping, preparation of chart of accounts, bank reconciliation, QuickBooks online functions, and creation of invoice, bills, and sales order from Freelance Academy, a VA training last May 4 of this year. Thank you for your time.